Hello friends, welcome to day 1 of your 7-day yoga journey. Today, we'll focus on reciting the body with a gentle flow. Before you start the journey, please hit that subscribe button to stay connected. Now, let's take a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in and out. Feel your breath move through the body. Let go of tension and set an intention for today's practice. Perhaps ease, openness, or simply be present. Let's take 3 more breaths together. Inhale deeply and exhale fully. Inhale, feeling grounded and present. Exhale, letting go. One more breath. Inhale, connecting to this moment. Exhale, softening into the practice. Now let's gently awaken the spine with seated cat and cow. As you inhale, lift your chest, roll the shoulders back, placing your hands on your knees, and gaze slightly upward. As you exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin towards your chest, and draw the belly inward. Keep flowing with your breath, gentle and smooth movements, feeling each vertebra wake up and release any tension. One more round. Then return to the neutral spine. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, leaning to the right, stretching through the side body. Keep your left hip grounded. Stay here for 5 breaths or so. Inhale to rise back up. Exhale, switch sides. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, lean to the left, stretching through the side body. Keep your right hips grounded. Stay for 5 breaths or so. Feel the space opening up along your ribs and waist. Breathe into the stretch and release. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, interlace your fingers behind the back. Take one more inhale. Open up your chest. Exhale, fold forward and push the arms away from your spine. Breathe deeply. Inhale, slowly rise up. Exhale, release your hands. From here, shift forward onto all fours in tabletop. Spread your fingers wide. Move the body organically to give your whole upper body and spine a gentle swing and release. Slowly come back to center. Inhale here. And as you exhale, lift your hips up and back into the down dog. Take a few breaths, pedaling through the feet, feeling the hamstrings lengthen. On your next inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, step or walk your feet to the top of the mat into forward fold. Let your hand hang heavily. Bend your knees slightly, allowing your spine to lengthen and your hips tilt back. Stay here for a few breaths, surrendering to the gravity, letting go of any effort. This is your time to relax, to soften, and to simply be. Inhale, rise halfway up to halfway lift, lengthening the spine. Exhale, fold again. Now, press through your feet. Inhale, rise all the way up, arms reaching overhead. Exhale, hand to heart center, standing tall in mountain pose. Now let's begin our gentle flow. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead, lengthening through the spine. Reach your fingertips toward the sky. Exhale, soften your ribs and draw your navel gently towards your spine, grounding through your feet. Take one more breath here. Inhale to grow even taller. Exhale, swan dive into forward fold. Soften your knees, letting the head hang heavily. Release any tension in your neck and shoulders, allowing the weight of your upper body to draw you deeper into the stretch. Inhale, lift halfway up, spine long. Breathe here. Lengthen through the crown of your head, creating space between each vertebra. Keep your back flat, shoulders relaxed. One more inhale. Exhale, down dog. Hips high, heels gently pressing down. Spread your fingers wide. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Inhale, shift forward into high plank. Engage the core, pressing firmly into the mat. Breathe slowly. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and lengthen through the heels, creating one strong line of energy from the crown of your head to the toes. Take one more inhale. Exhale, lower down to your belly. On the next inhale, lift your chest into cobra. Elbows soft, heart opening. Breathe. One more inhale, exhale, lower down. And transition to Sphinx pose. Bring your forearms to the mat, lifting through the chest while keeping the lower body relaxed. Take a breath in and out. Notice the space you are creating in your heart center, the gentle opening across the chest. With each inhale, feel the ribcage expand. With each exhale, soften a little deeper into this pose. Feel the grounding energy of the mat beneath you, supporting you and holding you. Let go of any tension, any effort, and just breathe. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. This is your time to be present, to connect with the body, and to simply be. Gently release the chest on the mat. Take an inhale. Exhale back into child pose. Hips to heels, arms stretch forward, forehead resting gently on the mat. Feel the lengthening through the spine as your tailbone reaches back and your fingertips reach forward, creating a beautiful stretch along the sides and the lower back. Let your chest soften towards mat, allowing your shoulders relax and release any tension. Take a deep breath in, feeling the expansion across your upper back. As you exhale, sink your hips a little bit deeper towards your heels, surrendering to the stretch. On the inhale, slightly bring your torso to the left. Exhale, stack your right hand on the left. And release on your forehead. Gently stretch the right side of your upper body. Take a couple of breaths here, and then switch to the other side. Inhale, lift your upper body slightly and come back to tabletop. From here, step your right foot forward between your hands, coming to low lunge. Keep your back knee down and lift your chest tall, reaching your arms overhead. It feels good. Bend your back knee slightly, lift the foot off the mat. This adds a little bit challenge, opening the hip flexor even more. Take a moment here to explore the sensations in the body, honoring where you are today. Feel the stretch in your left hip flexor, the front of your thigh, as you ground through your back foot. Take a deep breath in here, lengthening through the spine. Now, shift your weight back, straightening your right leg and coming into half split. Flex your right foot and hinge gently at your hips, folding over your extended leg. Keep your hands on the mat, on the blocks, or on your thigh for support. Feel the stretch along the back of your right leg, your hamstring, as you breathe deeply. Release and switch sides. Step your left foot forward between your hands, coming into low lunge on the other side. Keep your back knee down, chest lifted, and feel the stretch in your right hip flexor. Reach your arms overhead if this feels good. For an added challenge, bend your back knee slightly, lifting the foot off the mat. Deepen the stretch in the right hip flexor. Take a moment here to connect with your breath and your body, noticing how this side might feel different. Breathe deeply into the space you are creating. Shift your weight back, extend your left leg for a half split. Flex your left foot up and hinge at hips, folding over your extended leg. Feel the stretch along the back of your left leg, your hamstring, as you breathe deeply. Gently release to seated position. Now let's come to seated forward fold. Extend your legs forward. Inhale to lengthen and exhale to fold. Let the body relax into the stretch. Take one last deep breath here and slowly rise up. Let's ease into our cool down, lying down on the mat for a supine twist. Hug your knees in. Exhale, drop your right knee to the left. Soft gaze over your right shoulder. Breathe into this gentle spinal release. Inhale, bring the knees back to center. Exhale, release and switch sides. Now return to the center and hug both knees for ball pose. Gently rock side to side, massaging your lower back and your spine. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, extend your legs long to the mat, arms resting at your sides, palms facing up. Close the eyes and settle into Savasana. Feel the body completely relax. Let go of any tension, any effort, allowing your breath to be soft and natural. return to a seated position. Close your eyes, place your hand on your heart or in your lap. Feel the breath, steady, calm, and full. Notice how your body feels now. A little more open, a little more at ease. Before you finish today's practice, if you've enjoyed it, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. This helps me create more dynamic yoga sequences for you, and I'm excited to continue supporting your journey. Thank you for showing up today. Carry this feeling of balance with you. I'll see you for day 2. Namaste.